the streets, they play for keeps. You work harder, you don't eat.
Alright, Wild family, so check this out. We told y'all, we already broke the news, told y'all that we was buying a place, you know what I'm saying? So we're in here, we have to remove this carpet. No ifs, ands, or buts. Already started, it's already hot as hell. I'm gonna set this camera up and I'm gonna continue to get this carpet up and going. That's one room. That's one room that we got down. You got the hallway.
Cut that air off.
Hell no, then we gonna die. I'd rather blow this shit around than die. Woo, it's hot as hell in here, y'all. Y'all don't understand. Woo, it was 94 degrees in here. Now it's 88. Y'all should somewhat feel my pain.
What? I'm sweating. You're hot. I'm a foot black and my balls and everywhere.
Whew. The air is blowing. I'm feeling a little bit of the breeze, but I still want to pass out. If anybody wants to come and help, you can't. Yeah. I'm gonna do it myself with my wife, if she helps.
Excuse me. You in my business? Yeah, don't do that.
You see, she was in here letting off rounds. She shot a bullet through the mirror.
That was definitely not me. That was
She
here
did.
before us.
Whew. My thing to anybody out there. Look, check this out. So we bought this place, right? I'm still looking for some land or whatever. Right now, we're trying to get that financial freedom. We're pretty much there. You know, tell y'all like this. I came from the bottom. When I say the bottom, anybody that know me know what I'm talking about. I came from the bottom. And I know if I can do it, anybody out there can do it. You just gotta, man, make a plan, man, and know where you wanna go. You know where you wanna go, have your mind focused on where you wanna go. The world is yours, baby. P.O.P. hold it down. But yeah, so, I gotta have a plan. Our plan is to stay in this, you know, for a little while, and this place isn't too bad. You know, it's not bad at all. I need a 5-minute break. You're a horrible employer. I feel like I'm owned by a master. Y'all see, she holding the camera. She ain't doing that, and the camera got a tripod on it.
Anywho, my way, on the highway.
I'm supposed to help you drag it out the place. Well, where we gonna put it? We gotta put it on the back of the truck. And back of your truck is full.
We can leave it outside for all I give a damn.
No, because then if it rains and that mess get wet, then you really gonna have hell.
My max is about 500 pounds.
Boy, that's gonna weigh way more than 500 pounds if it gets wet.
Oh. Guess what? Tie some rope on that shit and pull it on the truck.
Boy, why are you sitting over that vent like that?
Because it's
looking like Professor Clump.
I forgot what he said. As long as I don't turn it a while later down the line, I'll turn into Buddy.
No, you gonna turn into Reggie with your dirty ass.
Reggie. But man, it's a wild journey, y'all. Like I said, we're taking y'all through this whole restoration of this place. I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm gonna close this out. And man, when I get a chance, I'm gonna sit down and talk to y'all about the game plan of what we wanna do. If you're new to the channel, join the Wild family, subscribe, like, comment, and share. You know, join the Wild family with your boy Coop and your girl Nada. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay blessed. We love y'all and holla at your boy.
Out here in the streets, they play for keeps. You work harder, you don't eat.